Hey folks, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. LinkedIn's made a change to groups, so I've got to let you know of some of the changes that have happened and how you manage your groups. So to get to groups, the easiest way I found to get to groups is from the home page. On the left-hand column of the home page, you'll see groups and you'll see show more. And if I want to go manage this group, the easiest way is to go into that group. Once you're into the group, you'll see that you still have groups here. You can go and jump in and out of other groups. But in this group now, it sort of looks like the LinkedIn homepage news feed. Here's the manage group option right here. So click on manage group. And now in manage groups, I can look at who's been invited. I can list look at who's requested to join. And I can either approve or deny or send her a message because I am first level. I can look at my admins and I can message an admin, or I can remove manager permissions or remove from the group altogether or transfer ownership to this manager. It's the same basic functionality. It's just that the links and the hyperlinks have moved a little bit. Again, from the LinkedIn homepage or from the groups, any group homepage, I can go to different groups and I can manage a group. Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. Hope that quick little tip is helpful.